Welcome back to Hollywood Studios for a full ride-through video of their brand new ride, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Join me. Here we are. All right, now I know where I'm going and I'm in line. The queue for this ride changes so often in the day, just depended on when the wait time is. So it was a little confusing, but it moves rather quickly. Did you spot the hidden Mickey?
Pretty safe to say Goofy twice last when he got to the bar, but don't worry, instead of saying you're gonna watch the story, I'm gonna jump right into the cartoon starting with number 1 for you, Steve. Followed by number 6. And then number 3, please. And finally number 4.
So Goofy did all this?
He did.
I guess that's why Goofy's my husband's favorite.
I do the obvious thing.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm sorry.
What's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Thank you. Oh my goodness, I just rode Mickey's Runaway Railroad. The Great Movie ride was my favorite ride, but let's be honest, there's a new one. I can't decide between Lightspeed and the Millennium Falcon and Goofy losing us on the railway.
If you enjoyed this bit of pixie dust from a Texan, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, Texie Dust. I hope y'all come back next week when I'll start my 4th day of the vacation at Magic Kingdom, my favorite park.